Most of us think that if you eat vegetables raw, that you are getting the most from the vegetable. The opposite is true. Now, here is why. Our stomach as humans are not like herbivores, which have that two-stomach system and specific gastric juices and digestive enzymes to break down raw vegetables. As such, for us to get the most out of vegetables, we have to lightly steam them, and that will make it more digestible and the ingredients more bioavailable for us to get the most from. The exception to this is, of course, lettuce, which can be eaten raw. So all other vegetables should be lightly steamed. Now, I didn't say boil in water, because if you boil in water, then the water-soluble vitamins will come out from the vegetables, and hopefully you use that water again to get them back, because if you throw it away, you're also throwing away the vegetables. So what I recommend is get like a steamer. So you get like your steamer here, the water below, and you just slightly steam them. And what you're looking for is for the vegetables to become slightly tender. Now that will make it more easy for your digestive system and also make it a lot easier to be broken down and utilized. So hope that helps you in your preparation methods, and I will see you guys in our next video training.